Today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Sweet potato, kale and bean soup. It's sweet, it's hot, and it's got all the goodness and proteins that you need. It's quick and easy, and apart from the willingness to chop some vegetables, I promise you, you don't need any special equipment. So let's get on with the chopping. Peel and cube one sweet potato. Then chop up some more vegetables. 1 celery stick, 1 parsnip, 1 red onion, 1 carrot, and some kale leaves. I'm using Nero kale because that's the easiest one to find in the shops. If you can't find the kale, you can always substitute it with some spinach leaves. So now that all the chopping is over and done with, take a large pot of water and put all your chopped vegetables in it. Except for the greens, we're going to add them later. And now we're going to add some magic ingredients to take this soup into the next level. Throw in a couple of bay leaves, 1 to 2 teaspoons of universal vegetable seasoning, basically a broth in a powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of marjoram or oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, or less if you don't like it too spicy. And finally, squeeze as much garlic as you like. I use about 3 to 4 cloves. If you want, you can add a splash of soy sauce for extra flavor. And for some proteins, add a can of mixed beans. Give it a quick mix and add enough water to cover the vegetables. Pop the lid on, put it on a high heat and bring it to boil. Once it's boiling, add the chopped up kale. If you're using other greens like spinach, you want to add them later in the cooking process. Put the lid back on, reduce the heat and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes till all the vegetables are soft. Final step before serving, add 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast flakes. This will take this soup to the next level. And that's it. Enjoy this super sweet, super hot, heartwarming, delicious, full of goodness, sweet potato, beans and kale soup. And if you love nutritional yeast as much as I do, you can add even more before serving. Make sure you join me next time for more delicious and healthy food hacks.